Happy holidays, collage bosses. This is Luis Martin, the art engineer. And listen, I would like nothing better than to tell you that everything is going to be all right. But the truth of the matter is that I don't think so. And I'm an optimist. But what I do know from all of the Hallmark cards that I read in my spare time is that if you want to change the world, you have to start with yourself. So let's have the gall, the gumption, and I dare you to speak what you want for 2022. Identify that feeling, identify that goal. If you want to be the next Picasso, if you want to be the next featured artist at Starbucks, at Target, say it. Not to the world necessarily, but say it to yourself. Dare to say it to yourself. And once we identify this, let's be deliberate. I want to be deliberate about the steps that I take to move forward as an artist, as an art entrepreneur, as a coach, as a person that changes the world with themselves. So let's do this. Let's do this together. Let's create accountability for each other and make it a better place, because that's the only way it's going to work. So I am challenging you to have the gumption to say what you want and go for it. We're here to support you. Take a class on collageboss.com, take a class at Skillshare, read a book, but just take that first step. We'll be rooting you on. Happy New Year. We wish you the best of joy and purpose in 2022 and beyond. Ciao.